Heyo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Happy Friday. Hope you all had a wonderful week and closed the week out strong. We sure did in TTG today. We're going to talk all about it right here. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. And for those of you that do not know, TTG is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational community and platform where we all share the same goal and that is to learn, trade, and profit together. We are 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I encourage you and I invite you to go check out over 1,200 of the reviews that are posted on that Trustpilot page. There is no better review than that of your peers. Folks, TTG is a platform. We offer premium trading tools and resources from companies like Benzinga, Quote Media, and TradingView, just to name a few. TTG can literally help you guys change your life for the better. And more importantly, we're a family. We leave no trader behind in True Trading. Everybody gets the time, attention, and help that they need to become successful traders. 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday, we go live right here for free on this YouTube channel, where myself, other TTG Pro Trader moderators, and special guests will drop golden nuggets and free lessons that are going to help you to become a better trader. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you have come to the right place. Take a moment right now. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications. You never want to miss out on any one of these lives, guys, because I share with you lessons on every single one of these lives. My goal is to make sure you get value, make sure you learn something from these lives. Okay. Also share the stream on your own social media. We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. So welcome everyone joining us from the different platforms. Why should any one of you listen to a single thing that I have to say? I'm glad that you may be thinking that, or I'm glad that you may be asking that, because I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, folks. I wasn't sitting in my mom's basement for 3 years trying to figure this out, and I had a eureka moment. My first job out of college, I was working for a fund in New York City. They taught me everything it is that I know in my trading, implement my trading here today. All right. Before I was ever able to touch a single dollar of their money, I first had to go through an educational training program. All right. That educational training program set me on the path to become the trader that I am here now today. That is also the education that allowed me to go on to receive one of their Trader of the Year awards in 2008, which was the same year that we had the great the Great Recession and the housing market crisis, and the markets dropped about 50–60%. That was also in 2008. All right. But I've since taken that curriculum, I've simplified it, I've expanded on it, and we've paired it with the top trading tools on the market today. And we've made it all available to our teaching members for just one yearly price. There are no upsells. There's no add-ons, nothing. Think of us as the Netflix of trading communities, folks. So listen up. These live streams literally can and most likely will help you to become a better trader. So I want you to hang out for a little bit, get something to take some notes with, and get ready to learn, trade, and profit together. We're going to start things off here with a live Q&A session. We'll answer all your questions about AMC and all the meme stocks and crypto, and then I'm going to break down what was an absolute home run trade for me today on LEDS. 26% gain on LEDS was a beast. It was the only trade I made today. Honestly, it was the only trade I made today. It was all that we needed. It was an absolute home run trade in the morning. We did not need anything else for the rest of the day. And I just kind of said, you know what? It's a great way to finish out the week. So we're going to recap that trade, and we'll answer all of your questions regarding what's going on with crypto, what's going on with all the meme stocks. So guys, don't hesitate. Start right now. What I want you to do is begin typing your questions in chat. Do not be shy. Don't think that it's a stupid question. Believe me, if you've got the question, somebody else has it also. So let's go ahead and start that Q&A. Type those questions away, guys. Yep, they were hating on Mike yesterday, but looky what happened. Maddie, listen, man, I don't want AMC to fail. I don't. You know, like I want people to make money. Like everyone that's in AMC, I want all of them to make money. You know, AMC, GameStop, BB, and the rest of the meme stocks. They bring in millions of dollars to new traders, and which brings millions of dollars into the stock market. Like the fact that you have so many new traders coming to the market because of stocks like AMC and GameStop and Blackberry, I think that's a wonderful thing. I think it's an amazing thing that the markets are gaining attention of people that otherwise would never be involved in the markets whatsoever. There's so many people that are in AMC, that are in GameStop, that have never been in the market before. You know, they've never been in the market before. But if all those new traders blow themselves up and they blow up their account, then it's all for nothing, you know? And that's how the stock market gets a bad name. You know, I don't want AMC to go down. You know, I would love for AMC to go to 100, 400. But, you know, yesterday, everybody was saying yesterday that, you know, everyone was talking about AMC. No, it's going to 145 tomorrow, meaning today. And I said yesterday that I don't think that's going to happen today. And in yesterday's live stream, I explained to you how a gamma squeeze actually works and what a gamma squeeze actually means. It's not a surprise to see AMC trading lower in the afternoon today. And I explained to you why that is yesterday. Yesterday's live stream, if anybody missed yesterday's live stream, I strongly suggest you go back and you check out yesterday's live stream, because I explained to you what a gamma squeeze is, how they happen, what it means, how it works. And yesterday, there was 173, well, the day before, no, yesterday, 173,000 contracts were bought at the $145 strike, today's expiration. That is such a ridiculous trade to put on. That is such a high risk, high reward trade. And that's so much volume that I was explaining to people yesterday that when that happens, market makers that are selling those call options, they need to hedge the other side of the option in case the stock does go to 145. So that will usually cause, when you have real heavy buying pressure come into an option like that, that's so far out of the money, the market makers that are selling those option contracts will sometimes buy shares of the stock to hedge against that trade. Is that what happened yesterday afternoon? Maybe. You know, yesterday's afternoon, you had AMC rally all the way back up to 68. But what I tell you yesterday on the live stream, I told you, I go, guys, those contracts expired today though. So yesterday I said tomorrow, meaning today. If this stock doesn't get anywhere near 145 tomorrow, expect those shares to be sold, because the market maker no longer needs to hold those shares to hedge against the option that they just sold, which is the 145 strike June 4th expiration. They don't need to hold it anymore. You know, I don't mind that those people were calling FUD on me or saying I work for the man. I work for you guys. I work for you all. It's a huge responsibility to have one or even two people listening to your advice. Never mind, in TTG, we have 6,200 with thousands of people that are on these live streams every single night that come to me for some kind of guidance and for some advice. You know, I don't mind that people are calling FUD. Whatever, say whatever you guys want, but I'm always going to tell you exactly what I think. It's not that I want AMC to go down, but I told you yesterday, if the stock doesn't get anywhere near 145, any shares that were bought yesterday to hedge those 145 strike call options, they're going to be sold today when the market makers realize we're not going to 145. We're not even getting close. We can sell these shares now. Look at what happened to AMC in the afternoon. This is not a coincidence. Let me pull up the chart and I'll just show you guys real quick. And AMC may not be over. You know, this trade may not be over. Just because it's going down today doesn't mean it's over. I'm going to keep following this thing. Okay, what I want to show, look what's happening to AMC in the afternoon. You see what's happening to AMC now in the afternoon? You see how we're trading lower? That's what I meant by, if we don't get anywhere near 145 today, whatever shares were bought yesterday to hedge against those 145 contracts would be sold later today. Maybe that's what you're seeing right now. Maybe that's this little pullback. Okay. Maybe that's this little pullback. That's what I was talking about. That's why I just want you to understand how a gamma squeeze works. If you're going to call for a gamma squeeze, you better know what it is. That's it. If you're going to call for it, you better know what it is. Now, here we are with AMC. We're down 13% today. Now, since I have the chart up, let's just talk about some levels. Okay, the level that you need to focus on GameStop is clear as day. It's $36 to $37. Okay, it's 36, 37. Okay, 36, 37. This is the level you need to be paying attention to. That's your previous all-time high. 2 days ago, we had the gap up and we held it. And then yesterday, we had the pullback and we held it. Okay. If this pullback on AMC continues, you would look for, once again, 36, 37 to be support. Okay. You would look for it to once again be support. Let me actually see something real quick. Hold on 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay. All right, so here we go. Sorry, guys, I was just looking something up real quick. So, this is the level that you guys got to be focusing on if you're an AMC. Okay, that's going to be your level. That's your support level. That's where it all needs to hold together. If you do pull back to that $37 area on Monday, and it holds, and all of a sudden you go from like 37 and you go all the way back up to 50, that's going to be a very bullish sign. Okay, that'll be a very, very bullish sign. Wow, Lex, good eye. Yes, it is a 5726 Nautilus. Yes, that is 5726 Nautilus. Lex, good eye. Really good eye. You know your watches. You know your watches. So that's what I'm doing there, guys. Okay, 36, 37, that's going to be the support level that you're going to want to focus on. If you pull back there on Monday, it holds 36, 37, and if we move from 36, 37 back up towards 50, that's going to be a bullish sign. I think then at that case, you could see that squeeze move on AMC continue. Okay, I think you could see it continue at that point, but that's going to be your support level. It's clear as day. Everybody in the world sees this support level. Okay, it's clear as day. That's the level that you guys are going to want to focus on. Okay, I'll just go through. I'll pull up GME while we're kind of going through it. GME is a little bit different. GME doesn't have the same kind of strength that AMC has had these last couple of days. None of the meme stocks have really had the same kind of strength. Oh, what happens if it doesn't hold? If that level doesn't hold, then you're going lower. If AMC gets below that $36 area, then you're talking about getting back to maybe like 28. 28 would be the next kind of major level that I would be seeing. 28 to 29 would be your next level. So these are going to be your support levels. Okay, so one support level would be 36, 37, and then your next support level is kind of right around 28, 29. If you get below 28, 29, and you just keep drawing these levels out, guys, you want to know where all these support levels are. No, AMC is not shorted 5 times the float. Gary, that's not accurate. Only about 25 or 28% of the float in AMC is short. It is not 5 times the float short. That's not accurate. So these are going to be your support levels. These are the major support levels that I'm seeing. You could have another, probably have another little level right in here too, which is kind of like the gap fill. You kind of have the gap fill here. So these are just going to be your support levels. So it's like if the stock starts to break these levels, you start to look at that. You start to look at it going lower, and you start to look for those next levels to hold. Okay, but 36, 37, in my opinion, is the major level. All right, so I would look for Monday. Look to see if Monday, maybe we get a gap down Monday. Maybe like we gap down to 40 and all the paper hands sell out of it. It drops it right to 36, 37. And then if that holds, then all of a sudden you have this huge push higher. Okay. You have this huge push higher off of that level. You go back to 50. That's going to be a bullish sign. Okay. That'll be a bullish sign. All right. So that's AMC. Let me talk about GameStop here real quick. GameStop just kind of looks, you know, GameStop's just kind of chopping around here. This is really, really choppy action. This is really choppy action here in GameStop. You have a very clear resistance level on GameStop that you should be looking at around 295. Okay. 295 is a very clear resistance level. Here you have it. Okay. There's your resistance at 295. And honestly, guys, if AMC goes lower, let's say if AMC doesn't hold 36.37, if it doesn't, I don't know what's going to happen. We got to see what happens when it tests that level. Okay. If it doesn't hold that level, your support on GameStop, and I think GameStop, it would be a clean move to the downside. If AMC breaks 36.37, you got a clean move to 220. You got a clean move to 220. Okay. You got a clean move to 220. And that's going to be this little support level that you see here. And then if that breaks, you're talking about a move that's going to take you back down towards, 190, this support level. So these are going to be your support levels here on GameStop. I would just follow AMC and trade GameStop off of it, because if AMC gets below that 36.37 support, I think it's going to pull all the other meme stocks with it. Just like if AMC goes back to 50.60, it'll pull all the meme stocks with it. Regardless of the direction that AMC goes, you're going to have all the other meme stocks are going to follow. So, I would look to these, like if you want to be long AMC, be long AMC. But then if you want to almost hedge your bet, like this is like an interesting little idea that you guys can maybe implement if some of you find yourselves a little overexposed. But you can actually hedge your bet on AMC by buying like some put options on GameStop, on Bed Bath & Beyond, on Blackberry, be long AMC, because I know so many people that are on this live are probably long AMC. If you want to hedge your bet, you can have puts in some of the other meme stocks, because if AMC does not go higher, you're going to lose money on the shares that you're holding on AMC, but you can make money on the downside if some of the other meme stocks go lower. And then if AMC rockets to 60, 70, 80, you'll make money on the shares you're holding on AMC, but then you'll lose a little bit of money on the options on the put options that you would take on some of the other meme stocks. So that's just an interesting little way. Like if you guys want to play things a little safer, I know there's some people that are just like pedal to the metal, like let's just go for it, YOLO, diamond hands to the moon, like you refuse to sell. And listen, if that's what you guys want to do, cool. But I'm just, if there are people that find themselves like, maybe you're long AMC from like $60 and maybe you're looking at the stock at 45 and you're getting nervous. If you are getting nervous, if you are one of those people, okay, there are people that can deal with this pullback and they don't care. They don't mind. They're like, it's going to 100. I don't care where it is now. But there's other people that get very nervous when stocks start to go against them. And if you're one of those people, it could mean that A, you have too much position size. Okay. Or B, maybe you need to hedge your bet. And I think put options on some of the other meme stocks is a beautiful hedge to a long position on AMC. $150K for these 726 Nautilus. That's the kind of guy I want to learn and change. Yeah, that's my watch. I got such a good deal on this watch, guys. So anybody who knows anything about watches, the luxury watch market has exploded in prices. Exploded in price. It's like I'm a big watch guy. I collect watches. It's a hobby of mine. But I'm very strategic with the watches that I buy. I buy watches that I think are going to all go up in value. The last like 4 watches that I bought have all skyrocketed in price. It's crazy right now, the watch market. I don't know if anybody on knows anything about watches, but the prices are insane. My jeweler actually hit me up today asking me if I wanted to sell any of my watches. Literally, I swear to God, not kidding. He goes, yo, what's good? Prices are at all-time high with watches. If you want to sell any of yours, let me know. That was literally the message that I got. Literally a message that I got today. I'm diamond hands these watches. I'm not selling these watches. Diamond hands these watches. I'm not selling them. I'm not selling them. All right, so that's GameStop. Let's talk about BlackBerry for a second. A really nasty day for BlackBerry today. Okay, nasty day for BlackBerry. This is a big pullback, guys. Yeah, BlackBerry was at $20 yesterday. Now we're back to 13. That's a big drop. That's a big drop. That's going to make even the strongest of diamond hands, clench their stomach a little bit. That's a tough pullback. But this is what I mean by, like, if AMC does not go higher, you can see BlackBerry back to 10. You can see GameStop back to 189. You could see, Bed Bath and Beyond back to 27. You can see all these stocks continue lower. It was MVIS was another one that I think is starting to get some play on Reddit. If I'm not mistaken, MVIS is another one that's starting to get some play. CLOV is another stock that's getting some play. These are all heavily shorted stocks that people are starting to talk about on Wall Street Bets and on Reddit. Nice. Robert Alvarado says, Michael, thank you. I just joined this week. I'm already up $7,000 on just 2 trades. Robert Alvarado, that's a hell of a start, brother. Keep it up. Keep it up, man. Keep it up. I love it. All right. So just like I said, touching on some of these other meme stocks like BlackBerry, that's a huge pullback on BlackBerry. Where's your support level? BlackBerry has a very, very obvious and clear support level that I want to point out to you guys. It's right around 12.50. Okay. It's right around 12.50. All right. And I'll show you guys here, previous resistance. Guys, you should all be marking these levels down. Either mark these levels on your chart, write these levels down on a notebook. You should know these levels. So when the stocks get to their levels, okay, you guys have an idea of what to do so that it's not a surprise when we get there. Okay, so there's that resistance level on BlackBerry. Now, as I zoom in, you'll notice that, again, resistance right there. Then you have this big gap up day, and then it became support. So that 1225, 1250 area, that's a key level for BlackBerry. Okay, that's a key level for BlackBerry. So if BlackBerry, let's say Monday, here's a game plan for you guys. Here's a trade idea. Let's say Monday, AMC gaps down. Maybe AMC opens at 40, drops to 36, 37. That should take BlackBerry right to 1220. If AMC holds 36, 37, look for these support levels on these other meme stocks to also hold. Look for 1220 on BlackBerry to hold. Okay, on GameStop, look for 220 on GameStop to hold. Okay, look for these support levels to hold if the support level on AMC holds. AMC is the clear leader. Okay, and this 36, 37 is going to be your support zone. So I actually think a gap down on Monday would actually be pretty good to go back and test 36, 37 one more time. And if 36, 37 holds, then I think you have to be long. If 36, 37 holds, then I think you got to be long. Like if you get a candle that looks like, if you get a candle that looks like this on AMC, like come Monday, okay, like if you get a candle that looks like this after testing and holding that 36, 37 area, guys, that's going to be, for me, that would be a buy signal for me. That would be a buy signal for me if you get a candle that looks like this on Monday. Okay? That would be a buy signal for me. All right? So like I said, guys, I'm not I'm an active trader. I like to identify opportunities and trade them. I like to identify opportunities and trade them the way that I see it. So that's what I'm looking for there on AMC. All right. That's what I'm looking for on AMC and the rest. Okay. What about the analyst that said AMC is worth 1 penny? I didn't see an analyst that said it's worth 1 penny. I have not seen an analyst say, I'm not sure which analyst said that. Obviously, it's not worth 1 penny. I haven't heard any analyst say that. An analyst did come out, though, today and say that they raised their price target on AMC to $7. Their price or $7.50. Their price target was $6.50. They've raised their price target to $7.50. And he did actually say in his report that it could go to maybe $10, or he could maybe see $10. Stock's at 45, and he's talking about a price target of 750. You had Bank of America actually just give up. The analyst from Bank of America actually, they just removed coverage. They're not covering AMC anymore. They put out a statement that said AMC is not trading on any reflection of their fundamentals at all. That, it's really, the stock's fundamentals put the company at a value that's in the single digits. That they said that there's no fundamental rhyme or reason for what's going on with the price of the stock, and they actually removed coverage of the stock. They're actually not going to cover AMC anymore because they just said there's no valuation whatsoever to the way the market is trading, and they decided to stop covering. So you're seeing a couple analysts stop covering AMC altogether because just the price action doesn't make any sense. Or you are seeing some analysts that are raising their price targets, but nobody has a price target that's anywhere near where the stock is currently trading, never mind anywhere near where a lot of people are calling for the stock to actually run to. So we'll have to see. We'll have to see what happens. Okay, Rich Greenfield said it. Okay, I didn't see that. I didn't see Rich Greenfield say that on CNBC. I didn't hear him say that. Obviously, it's not worth 1 penny. I mean, he's being an ass to say obviously it's not worth 1 penny. I mean, that's just that's just silly. That's like I think that for someone to say AMC is worth 1 penny, I think it's just as silly of the people that say it's worth $100,000 a share. It's not worth $100,000 a share. It's not worth a penny. Those are just two extreme ends of the spectrum. So I mean, shame on him for saying it's worth 1 penny. That's not true. But I did not see that. I didn't see that on CNBC. I didn't see that on CNBC. Do I trade live? Here, I'll do this. AM, yo, my TGD fam. If you are a member of True Trading Group, do me and the mods trade live? Sound off in chat. Do we call out our trades in advance and share our screen and trade live? My TGD fam, sound off in chat right now. So read some of the comments coming through chat right now. Yes, we trade live. We trade live every day, all day. Me and the moderators, we share our screen with you during the day. We are on the microphone talking to you live the way that I'm talking to you now. We call out all of our trades in advance. Okay, so like today, LEDS was my home run trade. LEDS was a monster for me today. I'm going to cover that trade for you guys in a minute. But I came on the microphone first before I bought the stock. And I told everybody where I'm looking to buy the stock. Okay, so this way everybody knows where I'm going to be a buyer, what stock, everyone knows what stock am I looking at, what price am I going to buy it, where's my stop loss going to be, and then where are my take profit targets going to be. So I come on the microphone and I say that to all my members before I enter the trade. Okay, that's something that we do every single day inside of True Trading Group. Okay. So yes, we trade live each and every single day, folks. All right. Guys, let me see real quick just how many people that are on this live stream right now. How many of you are, type the number 1 in chat if this is your first time on a THD live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. This is your first time on a THD live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group. Type the number 1 in chat right now. All right, we got Marcus Phoenix. Wow, a lot. We got a lot. Look at all this. AM, V Grumpy, Eric Sorrell, Mr. Miller, GM, Andrew Bean, Tammy Zenda, Rudy Konitzer, Gary, Josh and Yvette, Lawful, Steve Mitchum, Scott Leary, Abrar, Digital Travis, Green Starars, Kerry, Raylan Davenport, Mark, Anthony Garcia. JJ Ye says, I would like to be a member. JJ Ye, hang out, man. I'll talk to you about maybe a membership in a little while. Jim Hoban, Amar Deep, what's up? Wayne, in INS Core, Paul, Farzan M. Musavi, LT, Nell, the Consortium, Xavier Boys, Elaine Duncan, Bobby Howell, M, Craig, Toy-rific Entertainment, Tycoon, Ryan, Hexpor, Andrew, Photographer, Atibful, Donna Wallace, Robtimus, Rico Eats, Elaine Duncan, Gaetano. I love the name, bro. That's my father's guy. Gaetano Puma, welcome. Guys, there's so many number ones coming off in chat right now. I can't even keep up. Oh, my God. So many number ones. I love it. Guys, I love it. There's so many of you. Okay, there are so many of you. I love it. I love it. Great. Excellent. Excellent. Guys, listen up real quick. So I see there's a couple of people that are brand new and a couple of people that are asking me about, hey, how do I join the membership? Let me just be very, very clear. For all of you that are not members, that TTG is not just, hey, I'm going to pay a membership to get Mike's trades and to get a couple of courses. TTG is a platform. I really want you guys to understand that, where we actually take all of these trading resources and tools and we make them, we negotiate them from the service provider to provide them on our platform at no additional cost to you. Okay, so it really is a platform. Now, membership to TTG, it's a 1-year all-inclusive membership. You pay one price, you get access to everything. There are no upsells. It's normally $2,212 for the year, but from now until midnight on Sunday, you can actually save 42% and pay only $1,268. So it's normally $2,212 for the year, but until midnight on Sunday, you can pay just $1,268. That's a 42% discount. All right. And we've got 100 laptops that we're going to be giving away until July, that we're going to have until July. We have a total of 100 laptops. Okay. We are selling out of these as fast as we get them in. Adam has procured this and has informed me that this is it. This is our last batch of laptops until July. Okay. That Adam is not going to be able to get any more laptops until July. So the next 100 people that use the coupon code TTG121 will get a 42% discount. And you're also going to get a brand new free laptop. It's going to be an Asus, Acer, or Lenovo, or HP. I think we've got two. Okay. Brand new free laptop. We even cover the shipping. Yes, we do ship globally. Just our way of saying welcome to the TTG family. I want to make sure you guys have the right. I'm sorry, guys. It's Lenovo and Asus only. So Adam just informed me that it's Lenovo and Asus. Those are the two brands of the laptops that we have. We have 100 of them. Okay, so the next 100 people to use that coupon code will get the free laptop, the 42% discount, and then we have no more laptops. He's not going to be able to get any more until at least July. They're going to be gone by Sunday. They're going to be gone by Sunday, so you guys want to make sure you use that coupon code. Let me explain to you what you get for the $1,268, because there were a bunch of people that were asking. And then I'm going to get into my LEDS trade. There's a lot of technical lessons I want you guys to learn from the LEDS trade. I'll walk you guys through all that in just a second. That $1,268, what you're getting is the entire curriculum in TTG, which is a simplified version of the stuff I learned while I was working at the fund in New York. It's a 17-course curriculum. There's beginner and foundation courses. So if you've never traded stock a day in your life, you start there. There's advanced courses, option courses, crypto courses, swing trading courses, trader psychology courses. There's a course that teaches you how to trade in a down market. They're all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you also have our Benzinga Pro newsfeed in our chat room, which gives you live to the second news alerts. You've got Quote Media's real-time level 1 and full book level 2, which shows you all the market maker depth in level 2. I'll show you guys later I'll show you guys later on the platform. You get TradingView's Pro Plus charting software, which is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by traders today. That's included. You get ETNA's Trade Simulator, which is the same simulator that a lot of brokerage firms use to train their new hires. This is a simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. So you can practice implementing what you learn in the course. If you're new to trading or you're not yet profitable, please use the simulator before you start trading your hard-earned cash. Please, please, please. Then you guys get access to our chat room, which is, it's not WhatsApp or Discord or anything like that. It's a proprietary software. Me and the other moderators, which there's 8 other moderators besides myself, we all specialize in different trading strategies. So there's something in TTG for everyone, whether you do small caps, mid caps, large caps, options, swing trade, day trade, crypto, don't worry about it. There's a moderator into trading group that trades your style and trades what you're looking at. But we're in there with you all day long. Okay. We're in there all day long. Okay. You can send us private messages. We're not just there for 2 hours. Do you give information as far as strike price, expiration, profit target, when to get it? Absolutely, JJA. Absolutely. My TTG fam, yes or no? JJ's question. My TTG fam, answer JJ's question, yes or no? Do you give information as far as strike price, expiration, profit target, and then when to get out? Yes or no? My TTG fam, I'll let you guys answer that question. But yes, JJA, every time that we enter a trade, I will tell you where I'm buying, where my take profits are, where my stop loss is. If I'm buying an option, I tell you obviously the strike price, the expiration date. We tell you guys in advance everything that we're doing. Okay. So like I said, yeah, guys, we are, and between me and the mods right now, we're sporting about an 83% win rate in chat. We do workshops every single week, live workshops. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We got small private study groups. We got a small account challenge that starts up this month with $100,000 in cash prizes. We do a bunch of giveaways on June 13th. Actually, guys, mark this down on your calendar. On June 13th, we're giving away a brand new Tesla or $30,000 to one winner. And we're also giving away a brand new Porsche or $50,000 to one winner. So 2 winners, either 2 cars or 80 grand in cash. That's going to be June 13th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern right here on this YouTube channel. All you need to do is be a member of TTG by Saturday, June 12th. If you are a member by Saturday, June 12th, you will be included in the Tesla $30,000 giveaway. If you are a lifetime member by Saturday, June 12th, you will be included in the Tesla $30,000 giveaway and also be included in the Porsche $50,000 giveaway. Okay. Now you can't win both. So if you're a lifetime member and you win the Tesla or the 30 grand, you will not be included in the Porsche $50,000 giveaway. You can't win both. All right. Can't win both. All right, folks. So use that coupon code TTG121 to get the 42% discount. That price is good up until Sunday at midnight. Then the price goes up. Oh, we actually have no more lifetime memberships right now. Oof. Sorry, guys. We have no more availability for lifetime memberships. Adam just told me. So annual memberships only. Okay, annual memberships only. All right. They're only for full members anyway. You can't buy a lifetime membership. You've got to be a regular annual member first, and then you can upgrade to lifetime if you want. So yeah, guys. So use that coupon code TTG121. You have to actually enter the code and click apply code in order to get the discount. And then in the bottom right of our website, you'll see a little blue support chat icon. If you click that and fill out your information, we can send you guys your laptop. That's how we'll be able to ship out your laptop. Okay. And then you'll know that you're one of the 100 when you see that. You see how Adam, you see right there, you see the laptop is in the checkout. That's how you know you're one of the 100. If the laptop is not there in your checkout, that means the 100 laptops are already sold out. All right. So that's it. All right, guys, let's go over now. Let's break down. Hey, welcome, Paul. Paul, welcome to the family. Everybody give Paul a big, warm TTG welcome. All my TTG members, give Paul a big, warm TTG welcome. Big, warm welcome for Paul. All right, guys, let's go back to the charts. Let's break down the home run today. And it was LEDS, and boy, was it a good one. Man, this one felt good. Man, this one felt good. This was a beast of a move. All right, folks. What I'm going to discuss with you here today on this trade recap on LEDS, we're going to go over technical lessons on this trade, things that you're going to be able to implement in your trading as early as Monday to become a better and more profitable trader. Okay. I'm going to show you how to identify support zones. Okay. How to identify buying zones. Now, I'm a conservative style trader. What does that mean? Conservative style traders like to buy pullbacks into support. Aggressive style traders like to buy breakouts through resistance. Okay. What's your overall success of return to investment for your members? Sean, our numbers right now, our average numbers are 80% of our TTG members are successful, which means 80% have gone on to become profitable traders or are becoming better traders, which 20% of our members are still struggling. Okay, 20% of our members are struggling, but we leave no trader behind in TTG. That's why every month we host what is called a red to green workshop. Our red to green workshop is where members that are struggling submit to us. Our members submit to us like questions and topics that they're struggling with. And then me and some of my moderators, we cover it live in our in a workshop, and we record that workshop, and then we post it live in the video library for people to go back and review at a later date. Okay. And then our win rate right now, it's a cumulative win rate between me and the other moderators that are all calling out trades in True Trading Group. We have about an 84% win rate right now, cumulatively amongst all of the moderators in chat. Okay. We keep a trading journal on our website too, so you can track all of our trading performance. All of our trades are listed on the website. You guys can track every single one of our trades. The wins, the losses, the break evens, they're all there. Okay. So, like I said, I'm a conservative style trader, so I like to buy pullbacks into support. So in order for me to buy pullbacks into support, we need to be able to identify supports, right? You have to identify a support zone so you know where to buy on the pullback. That's what I'm going to show you guys here today on LEDS. LEDS is a perfect example of where multiple support indicators converge on the same price point. And what I like to look for is strong volume through a resistance level, then a low volume pullback into multiple support indicators. I will never buy a stock simply because there is one support indicator. I'm never going to buy a stock just because I'm never going to buy a stock just because it pulls back to the 38.2 Fibonacci level. I'm never going to buy a stock just because it pulls back to VWAP. Okay. But I will buy a stock that pulls back into the 23.6 Fibonacci level, which is also VWAP, which is also the previous high of the day. That's exactly what LEDS was. So let's go over this. I want to break this down for you guys. This was LEDS right off the opening bell. Beast, right? Beast of a move. Absolute monster of a move off the open. Notice the volume. Strong, steady, consistent volume. As the stock moved higher, the volume got bigger and bigger and bigger. That's a sign of momentum right off the open. So what I then look for, I don't chase momentum off the open. So I'm not a buyer here. I'm not a buyer here. Again, I'm a conservative style trader. Aggressive style traders that like to buy breaks through resistance, they are buyers in this. Okay, like a scalper or an aggressive style trader would come in and they're buying this early push. As a conservative style trader, I recognize the early push. I wait for the pullback into support. Then I get long. I look for the follow through. Okay, that's just my style, right? But what you need to notice is how much the volume plays a factor in this setup. And the volume was steadily increasing as the stock is pushing higher. That's good. Okay. And now what you will notice though is look at the resistance level that we broke above. Okay. This is the prior day's high. Now, the prior day's high will sometimes act as an area of resistance. That is a resistance level. Damian Giraldo says, does the membership include software that allows us to pull up real-time charts? Damian, yes, it does. Included in your membership, you get access to TradingView's Pro Plus charting software with real-time streaming data, totally free for no additional cost whatsoever. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares used by active traders. It is included totally free with your membership at no additional cost. Okay. So let's go back to this LEDS setup. Now there's the resistance level, right? We broke through it with the heaviest volume that this stock has had. Look, this is heavier volume than the stock traded at any point during the day yesterday. At any point during the day yesterday, the volume today off that open was the heaviest. That's a sign of momentum. When you have a stock, guys, note this. I told you in the beginning of this live stream, I told you, get something to take notes with. Write this down. When a stock has a big day, like LEDS had yesterday, and the very next day, we break through that previous day's high with volume that is heavier than any volume at any point during the day prior, that is a major sign of strength. Write that down. Notice that the volume that came in when we broke through yesterday's high is heavier than any volume that the stock traded yesterday. That is a sign of strength. So what do I say to myself now? I say, guys, look for a pullback back to test that previous high. I'm going to be a buyer. Now, what else happens? Okay, what's our next candle? Our next candle gives us this nice pullback right into where? Right into where? That's the previous day's high. There's the line, previous day's high. We broke through with the heaviest volume of the day. We zoom in. There it is. What else is there? Because I just got done telling you, I'm never going to buy a stock because of one support level. What else is there? This orange line on my screen, that's VWAP. That's your volume weighted average price. That's also sitting right there. But what else? Let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. Let's draw out our Fibonacci levels. Well, hold on a second now. Now, hold on a second. Look at this setup. Now you're telling me that we've got VWAP and the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level lines up perfectly with the prior day's high with the heaviest volume that the stock's traded over the last 2 days. Folks, that's a buying zone. And on that pullback is where I got long at $21.06. At 9:41 a.m. at $21.06, that's where I'm long. The low of this candle is $20.57. I'm long at $21.06. And what you will then notice happens next, we hold support again. There's that support level again. And there it is again until we explode right out of that little flag pattern. And that's what this was. This was a nice little flag setup. Okay, this is a nice little flag setup, nice little bull flag setup. And this thing just never looked back, just an absolute rocket ship. And we start ripping profits off the table. I took some profit off right here on the new high at $22.62. I took more profit off the table at $23.72. I took more profit off the table at $24.42. And then another piece of profit off the table at $26.56 for a 26% gain. This was an absolute beauty. And we have a special guest joining us here tonight, DJ Khaled. Another one. Boom. Okay. So there you have it, guys. There's the trade set up on LEDS. Again, it all goes back to the volume through that high, the low volume on the pullback. Look at the volume. Okay. See how the volume off the open when we broke through that resistance level, see how heavy that volume was? Then you get this pullback candle. Look at the volume on the pullback candle. Lighter, right? So again, strong, steady, increasing volume on the way up through a resistance level. Low volume pullback into a buying zone. Entry, profit, 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 profit. Boom, home run trade. Okay, absolute home run trade. All right, and there you have it, folks. And that's our trade lesson there on LEDS. I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys learned something from this. I told you at the beginning of this live stream that I wanted you to get something to take notes with, and I hope you did, because this was a damn good lesson that can help you guys. Okay, that can help you guys along the way. All right. What I would like to do now is I would like to know who is still on the live stream that's not a member. So type TTG in chat right now if you are not a member of True Trading Group. If you are not a member, go ahead and type TTG in chat right now. Morgan, these time frames, this chart that you were looking at was a 3-minute chart. All right, we got a bunch of TTGs coming through here, guys. We got Akil, we got MG, we got Josh and Yvette, Stock Pick, Chris, Anthony Garcia, Eric Sorrell, Steve Alvarado, Gary Cunanan. Welcome, Paul Bateman. Welcome to the TTG fam. Paul Bateman, welcome. You got Jalsa Party, Juan Lam, Mr. Miller, Rizwana Ayez, Sean Vegas, Taste the Luxury, Scott Leary, RV Thomas, Warren Booth, Lucas, Nagasamudra. I'm sorry, I didn't pronounce that correctly. PTC, George, Bobby, AL Mink, Ran LCO, Money, Bosco Rivas, Susie Pretty, Alex Kleeman, Kella Seleni. Yeah, Thomas, my 3-minute is kind of my go-to, but I also trade off a 5-minute and a 15-minute as well. All right, beautiful, guys. We have a lot of TTG, a lot of non-TTG members that are here with us. Robert Alvarado, how much did you need for your initial trade to make $7,000 profit? Please, any info is appreciated. Just trying to learn. Robert, feel free to share that if you would like. What I'll point out, though, guys, is that you don't need, you guys don't need tens of thousands of dollars to make money trading. You really don't. It's a really big, huge misconception. The majority of my members actually start with small accounts. How many of my teaching members started with less than $1,000? Okay, type the number 1 in chat right now and comment what you started with. If you joined with less than $1,000, tell me how much you started with. $400 for Bright Ideas, Peekaboo, $900. $100 for Ben DePasquale, David Horton, $500. Mikas, $500. Keith, $550. Diane, $100. Stacy, $500. Pitbull Mom, less than $500. Edgar Smith, $500. Canyon Ridge, $500. Thomas Colton, $100. Frankie Zupo, $500. Tanya Cable, $250. All right, John Lim, $150. Matt CG, $500. Marco says, how many trades do you make in a week? Struggling here. It depends, Marcus. Depends on the week. Depends on how busy the markets are and how much action there is. But typically for me, like a busy day for me would be, maybe 5 or 6 trades in a day that's a busy day for me. I was very active if that's the case. A typical day is maybe 3 to 4 trades. And a slow day is 1 or 2. That's typically, the trades that I'll make in a day. Okay. Can you do these trades in a non-margin cash account of less than $10,000? Absolutely, Scott. Absolutely. You're seeing all these members that are commenting that started with 100, 500, 250 bucks. Absolutely. A $10,000 account, Scott, even if it's a cash account, it's not margin. That's plenty, bro. That's plenty. That's plenty. I caught a 26% gain on LEDS. Imagine, if you put $2,000 into that, you're talking $500. If you put $5,000 into that, you're talking $1,000. $10,000 is a good amount of money to start with. It's a good amount of money to start with. Okay. So, guys, let me actually see real quick. David Gomez, great job, man. David Gomez started with 2,500 bucks. He's now all the way up to 6,000. Great job. Really great job. How many of my TeachD members right now are actually making money while working a full-time job? Sound off in chat if you're making money while working a full-time job, and type the letter I and let me know what's your profession. Sound off in chat right now, guys. So if you're a TeachD member and you're making money while having a full-time job, sound off, type the letter I, and tell me what's your profession. This can help a lot of people that are, here we go. IT consulting, chemical sales, 2 jobs, a nurse practitioner and a clinical instructor, a tobacconist, a CPA, install manager, construction, bartending, aircraft mechanic, outside sales, firefighter, custom woodworking, manufacturing supervisor, a food broker, hairdresser, a business owner, landscaper, sales, airport electrical supervisor, Costco, a truck driver, night custodian, law enforcement, bakery owner, business owner, manufacturing aircraft and defense parts. That's badass, dude. That's badass. A teacher. Gregory Kelly made over $40,000 so far this year while working as a local 17 union sheet metal worker. Absolutely incredible, Gregory. Great job, man. Really great job. Really great job. Make us a diamond setter, a shipbuilder, plumber. This is great, guys. This is great. Guys, I've literally held hours and hours of workshops on starting with a small account and how to trade while working a full-time job. Me personally, I've literally held hours of workshops. They're right there in our video library. So there's over 100 hours of video content in the video library. This is on top of the courses, guys. And there's just 2, how to grow a small account and how to trade while working a full-time job. Okay, there's 2 workshops right there that cover those exact same topics. All right. So important for those of you that are out there that are maybe considering joining, that feel like, oh man, I've only got a couple $100. Is it worth it? Or, oh man, I work a full-time job. Am I going to be able to do this? The answer is yes, absolutely, undoubtedly, because you're seeing all my members comment right now. Welcome, Gene. Gene, welcome to the family. Everybody give a big warm welcome. Give a big warm welcome for Gene, everybody. Big warm welcome for Gene. Guys, this is great. Listen, for those of you that are not members of True Trading Group, I told you, I'll always talk to you guys honestly. I don't sugarcoat anything. I shoot you straight constantly. Whether the markets are up, down, left, right, sideways, doesn't matter, guys. More importantly, we're making money. We're becoming better traders here in True Trading Group. All right. It's very important to say, I mentioned earlier that 80% of our members have gone on to become successful, which means they're making money. They're becoming better traders. But as wonderful as it is for you to see all of those people that are commenting in chat saying, I'm making money, I'm doing this, I'm doing this, I'm making this. And that's amazing. And we should recognize that success, but it's equally as important to recognize those that are still struggling. And the fact of the matter is 20% of my members are still struggling. And I told you, we leave no trader behind. That's why we do those red to green workshops, okay, where our struggling members will submit topics and questions that they need help with, and then we'll cover that live in a workshop. Now, I know it's not possible for us to have 100% member success rate. I know it's not possible, but that doesn't mean I can't try. That doesn't mean we can't try. TTG is a business, folks. It's a hell of a business, but at the end of the day, it's only as good of a business as its members are doing. And that's why, we got to get up every single day. We got to earn the trust and support of our members. And yes, that means long after they've already paid their membership fee. We don't take lightly the responsibility and the trust that they put in us. These are people's lives that we're talking about. And I recognize that. My team recognizes that. And we take that responsibility very, very seriously. So listen, guys, anybody that typed TTG in chat, you guys have to understand that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You've got to be willing to put in some time, energy, and effort to learn how to do this if you want to make money on a consistent basis. No one's going to be willing to do the work that's needed for you to reach your goals. You have to do it. It all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, and being part of the right team that's going to help you to learn, trade, and profit. And that is what True Trading Group is all about. Okay, we work about 12 to 15 hours a day. We work about 12 to 15 hours a day on this platform with our TTG members. Okay, we work about 12 to 15 hours a day for our members. That's why I told you guys that a one-year membership to True Trading Group is normally $2,212. But from now until midnight on Sunday, you can actually save 42% and pay only $1,268 and get a brand new laptop. There's 95 of them left, maybe. I think we had a couple of people that have already said, yep, 95 of them left. My math is correct. All right, they are first come, first serve. This offer expires at midnight on Sunday. There's no upsells in True Trading Group, folks. There's no add-ons. Everything, you pay one price, you get access to every single thing that we have. Okay, that price goes up Sunday at midnight. So if you guys want to lock in that $1,268 price point, use coupon code THD121. You want to get the free laptop, use coupon code THD121. When you guys join True Trading, I told you before, it's a platform, right? It's a platform where you get access to the top premium trading tools and products where you bundle them all together as part of your membership. All right. Adam, can you pull it up real quick? I actually want to show them. I want to show them the platform real quick and what they get access to. Ray, welcome, Ray. Everybody, give a big warm welcome to Ray. Ray Bolmanis. Ray, welcome to the family, brother. All right, so guys, here's your member dashboard in TTG. So included with your membership, you get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time newsfeed. This gives you live breaking to the second news alerts directly inside of our chat room. Okay, I can't tell you guys how valuable this is. We've made so much money and we've saved so much money also by getting access to news like that. In this environment, the trader that gets the news first wins, plain and simple. You also get access to quote streams, real-time level 1 and real-time level 2. That comes part of a simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money with real-time data where you practice implementing what you learn in the courses. You also get access to our Trade Ideas scanner that shows you what are the best stocks for you to be trading during the day that are going to be the best chance to profit. Small cap, mid cap, large cap scanner. It's all right there. This is all included free with your membership, folks. Then you're also getting TradingView's Pro charting software. This is one of the most commonly used charting softwares by active traders. All of this is free. You don't pay $1 extra for any of this. Then you're getting a minimum of 10 easy to follow actionable real-time alerts per week from a community sporting about an 84% win rate. We are fully transparent in chat. Okay. Every single buy and every single sell that we make is all included in this trading journal, so you can track all of our trades, so you can see how you guys could have done had you been following along. Okay. We are fully transparent inside of TTG. All right, then you get access to one small private study group with any one of our TTG mods. This is going to be your chance to ask questions, go over topics and lessons that you need help with. Then you're getting the entire curriculum. Okay, this is a 17-course curriculum That includes beginner and foundation courses, advanced courses, option courses, trader psychology courses, swing trading courses, crypto courses, you name it. We've got it all in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. Then you've got a video library on top of the courses that has over 100 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that we've conducted that are recorded and then loaded in there. Like I said, there's the how to grow a small account and how to trade while working a full-time job. All of this is included. You can get it all for just $12.68. All right, guys. Then you get access to our chat room where you can, we share our screen. We're live on the microphone, calling out trades. You can send private messages to me and the rest of the moderators. Ask questions. We're there with you guys all day long. Now, you guys might be wondering, like, why offer so much for just 1,260? Guys, that's a little over $100 a month. It's a little over $100 a month. That's less than $4 a day. So why? Well, I'll tell you why. Type the letter I in chat right now if you have been part of another trading group, were promised the world, only to feel like you were constantly just another upsell, another $1,000 upsell away from reaching your goals. Go ahead and type the letter I in chat right now if that's happened to you. Look at all these letter I's. Look at all these letter I's. Okay, so all these letter I's that you see that are coming through right now, this is why we do it. It shouldn't be this way. It really shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't be that hard for you to get an education. We want to disrupt this entire industry, folks. That's why we do it. But at the same time, you got to know your worth. We know that everything we're providing on the platform, it's worth way more than $12.68. That's why we're going to be moving our prices up to $2,500 for the year. So if you guys are interested in joining, use the coupon code now so you can get the $12.68 price point. We're going to keep moving our price up a couple of bucks every day. After Sunday at midnight, the $12.68 price point is no more. That price will be going up on Monday. So use that coupon code now and get that free laptop before the price goes up. Okay. I'll tell you guys why we're worth more than the $12.68 and why it's a steal of a value that you're getting. That Benzinga newsfeed alone, if you went to Benzinga on your own and you wanted that real-time newsfeed, they charge $1,188 a year for that newsfeed. That's almost your entire membership. Quote, if you want the full book level 2 that gives you all the market maker depth through quote media, they charge $990 a year for that. It's free with your membership. The simulator from ETNA, they charge $750 a year. And TradingView, they charge $720 for their charting software. Guys, just those 4 things would cost you $3,648 a year if you bought them on your own. You get them free with your membership. And you only pay $12.68. We haven't even started talking about the courses yet, or the video library, or the live workshops, or the one-on-one mentor sessions, or the small private study groups, or the live trading during the day in the chat room, the live alerts, the DMs, the mobile app. We haven't even talked about that. That's what I'm telling you, the $12.68, it's a ridiculous value. That's why we will be moving our price up to $2,500. So take advantage of that coupon code now and get yourself a free laptop in the meantime. And also give yourself a chance to win 30 grand on June 13th. All you got to do is be a member and your name you'll be able to be included in the giveaway. Okay. One lucky THD member is going to win either a brand new Tesla or 30 grand. The winner chooses cash or the car. All you got to do is be a member. All right. Guys, our goal is to disrupt this entire industry. In order to do that, we've got to provide insane value and results at a price substantially less than any of our so-called competitors. Our price, we're going to be over $2,000 before you guys know it. So take advantage, pay $12.68 now. Guys, how many of my THC family members, how many of you have already made back your membership fee, and how long did it take? Sound off in chat right now. I want to know. I want to know, did you already make back your membership fee, and how long did it take? Anyone that's not a member is considering it, pay attention to these comments. Gunnar says TTG is the best investment that I've ever made. Celeste did it in 3 weeks. Kawakawa did it in 6 weeks. Roxanne did it in 3 weeks. Doboyo G did it in 1 week. Lenore did it in 3 months, but was trading with tiny size. Stephen Wilbur, 2 weeks. Lynn Wright, 1 month, trading conservatively. Soccer Mom, twice the fee in just 1 month while working 2 jobs. Mika's 2 weeks, less than 2 months for Bruce. The Game of Stocks did it in 3 months with a $500 account. Tyler McRae made it back the first week and then broke his record this week, 17K. These live streams alone made me my membership fee, says Thomas. Mike Delaney says, I'm making my membership fee every week. Edgar Smith made it back in 1 week. Jimmy Benchin, it took him 1 week to make it back his membership. He's now made it 500 times over. Diane Fig says, I can't wait for the day to say I have very, very soon. Diane Fig is very close to making her membership fee back, and she started with a $100 account. No excuses. Gregory Kelly made $1,300 his very first day. Fabiola, she made her membership fee back in just 4 days. Ellen Jane took her 3 months, but does not trade every day or even every week. Lucas Dos Santos, welcome. Lucas Dos Santos, welcome to the TTG family. Welcome to the TTG family. All right. All right, welcome to the TTG family, guys. Guys, listen, that $12.68 price point is your last chance to get it. Sunday at midnight, the price goes up. Sunday at midnight, the laptop offer is most likely going to be gone. So if you are considering joining the team, you do it now. TTG 121. Lock in the 42% discount, lock in the free laptop, and give yourself a chance to win 30 grand on June 13th when we do the Tesla 30K giveaway. And last but not least, anyone else that is still on the fence, here's what I'm willing to do for you. Last thing we're going to do. Anyone that uses that coupon code before Sunday at midnight, if you go through all our courses, pass all our quizzes, and attend one private study group, if you do not make back your membership fee, $1,268, if you don't make that back at least one time during your membership, I'll give you a full refund, folks. I'm dead serious. I'll give you all your money back if you don't make it back. That's how confident I am that this can work for you if you put in a little bit of effort. 80% of our members are successful. That's why I'm able to offer this to you. If 80% of my members were losing money, I would not be able to offer you a money back guarantee. I'd be a complete fool to do so. But I'm confident. I stand behind my platform and the education we provide. I put my money where my mouth is. And that's why I'm able to confidently offer you a money back guarantee. Folks, we're 5-star rated on Trustpilot. Go read the reviews. Over 1,200 people have taken the time to write us a review on Trustpilot. Over 1,200 people. Go read them. Go read them. There is no better referral than that of your peers. Go read those reviews, folks. 5 stars. Over 1,200 people. Seriously, go read them. That's the best advice I can give you. Use coupon code TTG121. Guys, I'm telling you now, Sunday at midnight, that's it. That $12.68 price, gone. Those laptops, gone. TTG121. Use it now. And plus, get this. You know, I told you we're moving our price up to $2,500. So next year, our membership will be, but by next year, when your membership is up and it's come times to renew, let's say our membership's $2,500. Well, guess what? The price you pay today is the price you pay for life. So if you pay $12.68 today, when your membership renews, and I'm confident you're going to want to renew because 80% of our members are making money, our actual renewal rate is about 72%, which is insanely high in this industry. About 72% of our members renew their membership. In this industry, the average is like 30 to 40%. So I'm pretty confident that you're going to want to renew your membership next year. and you'll only pay $12.68. You're not going to be paying the $2,500. So the price you pay when you sign up is the price you're locking in for life. So use coupon code TTG121 now. Secure the discount, secure the laptop, give yourself a chance to win 30 grand on Sunday, June 13th, and get yourself a money back guarantee in the meantime. What else do you have to lose then? I'm telling you, if you don't make back your $12.68 at least once after doing those 3 things, I'll give it back to you. So there you have it. What's the worst that can happen? You get a free laptop and maybe you win 30 grand on June 13th. Imagine that. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be something? All you got to do is be a member, folks, to be included in that giveaway. That's it. All right. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me here tonight. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications. Smash that like button if you haven't done so already. I hope you guys learned something on this live stream. That's my goal with every single one, is to make sure you get value and to make sure you become a better trader. Thanks for joining me here tonight, folks. Enjoy your weekend. Have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. I'll see you guys all later. Ciao for now. TTG121. Use it. I'll see you guys later.